Welcome to the Innovative Plastics Recycling Material Team Training Module. Here at Innovative, we recycle because we care about our environment, we care about our families, and we care about our company. At the end of this training, you will know what kind of materials we use, what different recycle symbols mean, and the process we use to ensure that no contamination is in our recycle. The globally recognized recycle symbols are shown here. The most commonly recycled materials at Innovative are PVC, which is used in plumbing pipes, clothing, and upholstery, and PET or PETE, which is used for drink bottles, food containers, and packaging. Gaylord's marked PVC must only contain PVC. Gaylord's marked PET must only contain PET or ASPET. Some less commonly used materials at Innovative are HIPS, MDPE, HDPE, LDPE, PP, ASPET, and PETG. HIPS is used in packing peanuts, CD and DVD cases, disposable cutlery, and packaging. Gaylord's marked HIPS must only contain HIPS. MDPE is used in gas pipes and fittings, shrink film, sacks, and packaging. Gaylord's marked MDPE must only contain MDPE. PET or ASPET cannot be recycled with PETG because it contains a glycol additive which would contaminate the material. Here is a video to demonstrate the differences in material, which will help us to better understand the importance of keeping each plastic recycled separate and uncontaminated.
Two of the more prevalent polymers that we run are PET and PVC. Sometimes they can be difficult to distinguish and tell apart. The first way that you would do this, if you can't identify it yourself or it's not identified on the box, is you would ask your supervisor. If that's not available, you can identify the materials usually with a cigarette lighter. PET, when you light it, it will sustain a flame, continue burning. PVC, on the other hand, when you light PVC, it will not continue burning when you take the flame away. It will always self-extinguish, and that's the difference.
Clean and uncontaminated recycle comes in different forms. First is regrind. This material has gone through a grinder and is deposited through a cyclone into a Gaylord. Second are rolls. These rolls of recycled material come from the scrap winder at the end of the machine. The rolls are then placed into Gaylords at the end of the line. Third is web. This material has been cut into smaller pieces in a trim press. Fourth are parts. These parts shown don't meet our quality standard and are unfit to send to the customer. Instead of throwing them in the trash, we recycle them. Watch for the contamination of recycled plastic by tools, dirt, rags, paper, cardboard, tape, greasy plastic, burnt plastic, floor sweeps, or nuts and bolts. There are several ways to prevent contamination. Always make sure the Gaylord is clean and free of debris before using it. Don't use two different tags on the same Gaylord. Simply remove the incorrect tag. Complete the correct tag with date, shift, and operator initials. Put the correct tag on both sides. We don't recycle extremely small parts or punch-outs, therefore, when performing line clearance, dispose of all parts swept up off the floor or under the machine into the trash receptacle. Because we sell both packaging and clean recycled plastic, never empty floor sweeps into a clean recycled Gaylord. You wouldn't sweep and dump trash into a box of parts, therefore you shouldn't put trash in our recycled Gaylords either. Instead, empty floor sweeps into a trash container. Don't lay tools near recycled Gaylords, grinders, or on a platen. Instead, always put tools in their proper place. What happens to contaminated plastic? It goes to a landfill. However, clean, uncontaminated plastic is baled and loaded into trucks to be shipped off and then made into something new. We at Innovative strive to avoid contamination and maintain clean recycle only. Please help us achieve our goal to benefit our company and the environment by recycling.